This is one of a series of short videos on Drumbridges roundabout. This one covers the road ahead from Ashburton to Heathfield. As we exit onto the slip road, it's important we position into the right hand lane. As we exit the roundabout, we'll be in the right hand lane to turn right shortly after the roundabout. So if we don't position correctly on the approach, we can't take the right turn after the roundabout. There is a sign coming up on the left which will tell you that Heathfield is the second exit, and the road markings confirm Heathfield is the right hand lane. There are traffic lights ahead which we need to obey. Just about to change, but we've made it through. So as we go across here, we can see we're staying in the right hand lane, taking the second exit. Particularly check the left hand side here as we exit, staying in the right hand lane. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos?